Hello, football lovers, great to all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Renio Data updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs assistant coach Ben Youssef Kellyn disclosed the problems. They are facing a coaching the likes of Fundo Vilakazi and Samuel Ozwane. I think, to be honest with you, our youngest players, they perform very well. Our best players, our youngest players, said Kellyn after misunderstanding winning over Sekhukhune United. The problem is we have to protect them because there's a lot of pressure. Samuel Ozwane, we discussed with him a lot of the time in the training. Sometimes we are angry like he's our son, and sometimes we are angry against him. This game he got this chance and he did well. I think he was one of the best players in this game, him and George Matlo. Also Matlo, you know, he was 1 year without a game. He came back step by step. We have to protect our players. Congratulations to them. Congratulations for all the players, the professionalism and the youngest one. Congratulations for them. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please write your thoughts on the comment section.